Welcome back to the Dirt Bike Girl. If you don't know, my name is Jessie, and today we have one of our schools, the Dirt Bike Boot Camp. I'm doing an advanced class with William and Emily. Man, these two riders couldn't be more different. William's the cautious rider who has wonderful form. Emily is very fast. Actually, I wish I was as fast as Emily, but she lets her form go the faster she gets. So today we're going to break things down, make it a little simpler for both of them. I'm a strong believer in only working on one thing at a time. We're always working on our form, always trying to improve that. But I also want them to work on braking today. So we're going to use our rear brake and our front brake together. We want to gather speed going down our straightaway, use our brakes to slow ourselves down, and then go through our turn. We're always working on turning as well. So I had to be creative with these kids. They get bored quickly. They're kids. They don't want to work on the technical stuff. So I got them going over some jumps, and the jumps were close to where the turn was. That way they had to go fast, and then they had to work on their braking. And if they didn't brake, they were going in the bushes. So it was a good little exercise for them. It was also pretty muddy out today, so we got to work in the mud some. You could see both of them have some caution in the mud, and they both overcame it by the end of the day. Really proud of both of them. They did such a great job. And as I say later on, it's such a privilege to watch them grow as riders. And I really enjoy getting to do this. I'm really thankful, and it's such a wonderful experience. Anyways, guys, let's take a look at today's video. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday, it's gorgeous out, and it's riding day. We got a little sprinkle this morning. Gonna knock down that dust, and you can already hear the bikes off in the distance out on the motocross track. It's gonna be a great day. Looking forward to seeing you guys. All right, guys, we're gonna start out just warming up on our normal little oval over here. Going through the wood. Well, actually, let's go up the hill and go all the way around. All right, and we're just gonna warm up. We're gonna see where I'm at. This is Emily and William. They're here for an advanced lesson with me today, and we're gonna get going. I already know Emily tends to sit a little too far back on the bike. That's one of the things we're going to work on. Keeping fingers on the clutch. William looks good. I want to see him do a little more standing. Oh, that looks good. And then getting the leg up. And we're going to work on braking. That looks good. Good starting point, at least. We're gonna get it all fixed up. Alright, let's clean it up a little bit. So Emily, I want to see you move forward on that seat while you're when you're going into your turns. William, I want to see you stand a little straighter. And you too, Emily, stand up a little bit straighter. All right, so we're more of a neutral position. All right, and then let's start working on using a little more braking. So let's carry some speed down here. I'm gonna put some cones up where I want you to brake to slow down for the turn. We're gonna use both the front and the rear brake to slow the bike down. A little bit of front, a little bit of rear, to slow the bike down. Once we get it to the speed we want it at, we'll carry on through the turn. All right? Front brake, clutch. There you go, leg up. Yep. Woo! Nice. Oh, that was pretty. Good job. And gas on. Good. Clutch. Good. Get that butt forward. just slow it down a little bit. Front brake. Good. Good. All right, so what we just talked about was coming into this corner and turning our head and looking through the corner. So right now they kind of got their eyes straight ahead and they're going out here. And instead I want them to turn their heads and the bike go this way. William looks so good coming into this. Nice positioning. Got the tree. Good, and gas on. Good. Oh, that was really good. All right. Good. 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 Turn that head and look. There you go. Go. Gas, gas. And get. Good. Good. And turn and gas. Same thing, we gotta be looking. I know it's a big wide turn, but we gotta look through it. Standing. Put that weight on your heels. Good. I want to see you turn your head more. Turn your head and look. Looking down this line, and that makes this exit turn a little better, so I'm not swinging so wide. All right. Oh, and William, when you're going through that, think about putting all your weight down in your heel. All right, so right now you're kind of balancing like this on your toes, and it's hard to walk like that, right? So we get flat-footed, we got a little more balance. Emily's just getting a little sloppy. She likes to go fast. All right, weight on that heel. Good, nice. All right, I'm making Emily slow it down now so she can think about her form while she's doing it. And already, it's looking better. Get those elbows up. Not having your elbows up is one of the things I see the most riders doing wrong. It provides more stability and control in your corners. When Emily is behind William, it pushes William a little bit out of his comfort zone, and he rides a little better. Good, nice. Elbows up. There. This is the best Emily's form is all day. Spot on. That's what I want to see from her all the time, and I know she's capable of it. and carrying the speed. Oh, that looks so much better. So much better. Sometimes, guys, just slow it down a little bit. Once you got the muscle memory that you don't have to think about your positioning and all of that, everything else will fall into place and you will go even faster. Elbow. All right, Emily. That wasn't bad. That was pretty controlled. Get that foot up. William needs to grip a little more with his legs so he doesn't get thrown around as much. Would be really good. All right, Emily's working on her elbows in her seat. She looks good. Oh, she looked down that time. All right. That was pretty good. Just her seat and her elbows. So remember, William wouldn't really get on the gas earlier. You put a jump in front of him, and all of a sudden he's on the gas. And now he's using that rear and front brake together. Really proud of him. Nice. Turn your head. There you go. Anybody can jump, guys. The kids love jumping, and this gets them to do other things. Give them something they love, and they'll work on the rest of it. Oh, so sloppy. All right, so we just talked to Emily about what she did wrong. She didn't use any front brake. She had so much speed, the rear tire just locked up and slid in the mud and didn't do anything. Good, that was really nice. Oh, his form is great. Good, and look. He's cutting this corner to avoid the mud. Later on in the day, I'm going to make him ride through it, and I'm going to show him how gas on is going to help him. More gripping with the knees and thighs. Oh, that was a lot better. Get that foot on that Same thing, she's a little nervous about this mud, and she's just dangling her foot. It ain't even doing anything. Did you feel the difference that made?
Yeah, I didn't almost die.
Yeah. And the only mistake you made in that was taking your foot off your peg. You didn't need to. You had it.
I thought I was going to fall over.
I know, but it didn't do anything. It was just dangling there. Yeah. So, and then let's just see you move that butt forward, of course. And you feel like the reason you feel like you're about to crash or whatever is because you're looking down at the ground right there. Get your eyes up. The ground won't psych you out, and you'll go right over it. All right, William. Boogie on the gas. Woo! This is big for William, so I'm just trying to keep it simple and encourage him in the right way. That he can use that gas, and he's capable of using his brakes to slow himself and stop him before the turn. And look, he went through the mud. Don't let him. Here comes a little guy. He's gonna get some air. Woo! Oh my. Comes William. So, I'm using a different jump with William to show him how he can go through the mud while he's keeping his momentum up and it's not going to affect him. So he's so worried about that mud that it's getting in his head. And he's going so slow and he's putting his feet down and out that all of a sudden it is affecting him. But put a jump in front of him, and all of a sudden, he's a different kid. So let's watch what he does. All right, William's gonna try another jump. Got it! Gas, 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 gas! Nice! What a difference from the beginning of the day. So when you go out to train, only work on one thing at a time. Always be working on your form, but pick one other thing to be working on. Today, it was about braking, using that front and rear brake together. And wow, what a difference one day made. It's such a privilege to get to watch these kids grow in their riding, and I really enjoyed it. I'm really proud of both of them. They're really coming along. Can't wait till the next time I get to work with them. Thank you guys for all the support and watching all of the videos. It's really been a privilege to do this, and I'm getting really excited about making more content for you guys. Coming up very shortly, we're going to have my fall. Still can't really move my neck, but it was worth it. It was worth building my confidence. I'll talk about that later, though. I just wanted to really thank you guys. If you have anything to add to this, please comment below. If you like it, subscribe and hit the like button. And guys, remember, if you're having a bad day, it's only 1 down and 5 up. See you next time. Thanks.